again welcome to a video from Tajeshra. Today I explaining about the notice which posted on 12th November 2021 Friday. And this notice explaining the Chennai flood of 2021 November and the present atmosphere changes in Tamil Nadu, the southern state of India. I will read this notice. Notice 1. Flood in Chennai and present atmosphere changes in Tamil Nadu. In the bracket, these changes in the atmosphere of this state brought a rare phenomenon, and it will affect 95% of the people of this state. Also, it will continue there more months. The phenomenon started on January and February of 2021. Read our prophecy number 1 of 28 February 2021 Sunday, which clearly predicted about this phenomenon. That is, this atmosphere changes and this rare phenomenon started actually on January and February of 2021 in this state. And about this phenomenon, the prediction which posted on 28 February 2021 clearly predicted about this phenomenon. Also read our prophecy number 1 of January 1st, 2021 Friday. Read its notice board 2. It reads, 5 states in the south by names including TAMILD, Tamil Nadu, Indonesian by name INDA, India, in problem. Also read notice board 3. Disasters are in the states including 2 states in BMD. In this word BMD, D stands for destruction. I will show you the prophecy number 1 which posted on January 1st, 2021 on 28 February 2021. Come to see. This prediction, prophecy number 1, which posted on February 28th, Sunday, 2021. I will read this prophecy number 1. Disaster now reaching into 3 states, including KE plus TAM, Tamil Nadu, TAM. This is the first 3 letter of this state, TAM, which are by name, and these states are in the nation by name INDI, India. Clearly predicted about this rare phenomenon on atmosphere changes. Then come to the prophecy number 1 which posted on January 1st, 2021. Come to the notice board 2. Notice board 2. South states, 5 south states, including TAMILD, Tamil Nadu, TAMILD, Tamil Nadu, are in problems. Also read notice board 3. Disasters are in the states, plus 2 states in BMD. 2 states. See. So, Tajeshra clearly predicted these atmosphere changes and problems of the state by name Tamil Nadu on January and February of 2021. And January prediction, January 1st Friday, which posted on November. This prediction and prophecy was also for this month, November 2021. Watch every video. Watch the next video. Thank you.